Stop saying very, say this instead. Very cold, say freezing. Very hot, say boiling. Very tired, say exhausted. Very hungry, say starving. Very sad, say miserable or heartbroken. Very happy, say overjoyed or thrilled. Very big, say huge or massive. Very small, say tiny or miniature. Very smart, say brilliant or intelligent. Very angry, say furious. Very speed, say rapid or swift. Very bad, say awful or terrible. Very good, say excellent or superb. Very pretty, say gorgeous or stunning. Very loud, say deafening. Very quiet, say silent or hushed. Very clean, say spotless. Very dirty, say filthy. Very slow, say sluggish. Very ugly, say hideous. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.